Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule and premiere a video on YouTube. Once you have logged into your YouTube account, at the top right you can see this camera icon. Click on this and click on upload video. If you click on this button, it will upload a video, but before that, at the bottom you can see there is a privacy option. If you click on this, there are 4 options: public, unlisted, private, schedule. If you select public and upload a video, there will be a premiere option, but the video will be published within 1 or 2 minutes. To make better use of premiere option, you have to select schedule, then select the video and upload it. Now the video is uploading. At the right side you can see there is a premiere option. Click on that, and here you can see under schedule you can set the time. If you want today, you can select it today, or you can select tomorrow. You can select whatever day you want. I am going to select today itself, and I am going to set the time as 7:15, and you can select the time zone. Since I reside in India, I have selected the Indian time zone, GMT plus 5:30. Select your country time zone. Once you have scheduled the date and time, at the top you can see that I have selected today itself, so it is giving me today date. If you select tomorrow or any other day, it will show on that day. I am going to click on premiere on. See, you will get a message. Your video will be published on September 26, 2018. After premiering the video, you can go and check the video itself. Now when you go to the video link, it will give a message, premieres in 16 minutes. It will automatically take a screenshot of the video and it will display the thumbnail. You can see that the time is changing. Previously it was 16 minutes, now it is 15 minutes. If you want to change the premiere time, you can do that. All you need to do is, you have to click on this edit button on the video page. On this page, you can disable the premiere, or you can even change the time also. You can see that I can change the time easily. If you don't want the premiere, you can simply cancel the premiere and save the changes. The video will be published automatically. Now let's see. You can see that we have cancelled the premiere and the video is published. That's it guys. In this way you can schedule and premiere a video on your YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.